Good morning, my green gang. Let me tell you about a very common, useful, yet notorious tree, Alstonia. Alstonia here is a medium-sized evergreen tree from the moist forests of the Himalayas. It is also known as the devil tree or Saptaparini. It has rough grey bark and large leaves that grow in clusters. The flowers are small and greenish yellow in color. The sap of the tree is sticky. The flowers usually bloom in late autumn to early winter, depending upon variety and climate. It is easy to grow. It grows better under moist, warm climate but cannot stand waterlogging. It is suitable for avenue planting. It needs full sun, fertile and well-drained soil. The name comes from the two Sanskrit words, Sapt meaning seven and Parni meaning leaves. This refers to the leaves, which are usually found in clusters of 7. They aren't sharp and glossy. They remain green throughout the year. The fruit is bean-shaped. Look there. Its scientific name, scholaris, refers to the fact that the timber of this tree has traditionally been used to make wooden slates for school children. So, you see, it is useful, yet notorious. In season, you will find several of them sprouting across the landscape and you would have to uproot them off in case they are invasive. These are hyper-allergic, so beware before allowing it to blossom in your vicinity in case you are allergic. In net, it's one unique tree. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.